Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of Carolyn and her clothes. So today is Sunday of Memorial Day weekend and we have picture perfect weather here in New Jersey. I got up early, I went to the gym, ran almost 2.5 miles, went food shopping, came home, took a quick shower, and then took a really nice 5-mile walk with my husband around a park / reservoir. And then we had some lunch on the way back, and here I am. So I have 2 separate freestyle items. I kept saying I'm not going to be purchasing anything freestyle, nothing for freestyle. Then these things came up when I was on the app, and I'm always on the app looking, and I just had to do it. I was like looking at them for a while, and I'm like, you know what? I really like these. All right. So first up is this Margaret M Skirt. Right? I believe it's Margaret M. Yes, Margaret M Skirt. It's in an extra small size, so extra small regular. It's like a, I don't know what you call this, like a tropical print in brown, and it has a little ruffle here on the hem. And I forget what the heck size, what the price with this is, but I don't think it was too expensive. I think it was like in the $50 range. The outside of it is 70% rayon, 30% linen, but unfortunately they lined it with a polyester lining. So it's okay. I still like it. I really like the skirt, but I'm not so sure this is going to fit me. This waist looks tiny on me, you know, to me at least. So we'll see. I'll try it on and see how it is. And I'm going to style it the way I saw it on Shop Your Look. So I have a top that will go with it. And I thought this is really cute. I really like this. So if it works for me, it's a keeper. All right. Next up are a pair of linen or linen-esque pants from Madewell. The Madewell high-rise wide leg linen pant in Echo. And these were not cheap. These were like $128. Now, these are just way too big for me. All right. Let's see if I can find the material. They said it's not 100% linen, that's for sure. It is 53% linen, 47% viscose. So now this is, everyone's like, oh, linen's so scratchy and everything. This is a nice linen. You know what I'm saying? Even though it's 53%, it's still nice. But these are not going to fit me. These are just way too big for me, way too long. What's really interesting about this is that it has 2 front patch pockets, all right? And one thing I can see too, it's extremely see-through. I can see right through you. I will try them on though, and see how they look. All right, so give me a minute and I'm gonna do a try-on. Okay, first up is the Margaret M Skirt, and sadly, as I expected, it is too small. As you can see, it's kind of pulling here across the hips. I could barely get this on me. It is a really cute skirt, and I highly recommend it. It comes like probably about 1 inch above my knees. It definitely passes my fingertip test. I styled it with a mock neck top that I just kind of, it was actually part of the look when I saw it on Stitch Fix, and along with a pair of black strappy sandals. So hold on, I'll pan down so you can see the shoes, all right? That's exactly how they had it on Stitch Fix. So I decided to go for it and do the same look. I really like this skirt, but unfortunately it is just too small. I'll look to see if they have the next size up in a small, but most likely not, because that tends to be what ends up happening with me with Stitch Fix. Adorable skirt though, very cute. It feels very linen-y on the outside, but like as I said, there's the polyester on the inside. All right, next up I'll try on the pants. Okay, up next are the Madewell pants. I put them on with a pair of navy blue espadrilles from years ago, and just a plain old loft t-shirt that I have not worn yet, also navy blue. And the reason why I chose navy blue, I'll come closer, the pants, it's a navy stripe here, okay? Unfortunately, as expected, these pants are just way too big for me in this area. I'm only 5'2", and people need to realize when you're short, it's not just your legs that are short, but it's also the rise that's smaller too. So this area is very small on me, and there's just too much material here. As you can see, it's like, it should be like this. You know, here's the back of them. Another thing I don't really like about them, when I looked in the mirror, the pockets were very noticeable because the fabric's so sheer. You can then kind of like see these big patch pockets over the front of them. I would have liked this material to be a little bit thicker. I'm gonna pan down so you can see the length. It's actually not too bad for a pair of wide leg pants as far as length goes, okay? So here it is on length for me. So, you know, I think if you were 5'5", this would probably be like a really nice fitting pant on you, all right? For me, I'm just too short. All right, well, that's it. All I have for today's haul. Thank you again for returning subscribers. I appreciate your support. If you haven't subscribed yet, what's holding you back? Click that notification bell and give me a thumbs up. Take care until next time.